Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. This is a weekend vlog, so I obviously woke up very late and it was brunch time, so I'm making myself some omelette, like bread omelette with cold coffee. While my bread is getting toasted, let's make some coffee. So I'm using this Nescafe Classic one. This is my third time purchasing this and I really like it. इससे बहुत ही classic cold coffee बनती है. I have also added 1 tablespoon of sugar and उसके बाद ये frother मैंने Amazon से लिया है and this frother is a game changer for my coffee. Previously I didn't have a frother, but then some subscribers suggested me and I got it off of Amazon. It is really good and the color changing part is the most satisfying part. It comes with 3 modes. I usually use it on the medium mode because that itself is very high. Now I'm adding chilled milk to my coffee, and since my breakfast is not ready yet, I'll keep my coffee in my refrigerator. I like to toast my bread with butter on low heat and it takes some time to get the bread all crispy. And now I'm gonna crack 1 egg and now I'm a pro at it. First I used to do it in another container, but now I do it directly. I don't like my omelette to be runny, so I add some seasoning. First I add black pepper and then I add a pinch of salt. And since I don't like my egg to be runny, I just quickly spread all of it and make like a nice omelette. Some people prefer their omelette to be runny, but I like it to be cooked fully. So this is what my omelette looks after it's fully cooked. Now that my breakfast is ready, I've taken my coffee out of the fridge and I'm adding ice cubes. I usually add 4 to 5 because I like my coffee to be very chilled. The weather this day was so nice that I decided to have my breakfast in my balcony. It was so windy and it was almost about to rain. The clouds were so gloomy and I enjoyed my coffee. Meanwhile, I was also thinking about all the tasks that I need to complete today, but the weather was so nice that it distracted me from my work. I had my brunch which was super tasty and it started raining as well. Hi guys, checking in after a lot of time. यहाँ पे लिटरली 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है एंड बिल्कुल ऐसा कोजी सा मौसम हो रहा है कि कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा. तो मैंने बहुत देर तक घर पे बात करी, दोस्तों से बात करी फ़ोन पे. And finally then I thought कि मैंने काफ़ी टाइम निकाल दिया है, so I thought that I'd do something now. For that I want to quickly show you the weather because it's really good. It's not every day that I get to see such weather in Ahmedabad. आज मेरे प्लान में कपड़े धोने भी थे बिकॉज काफ़ी सारे कपड़े हो गए हैं, बट बारिश हो रही है तो अभी मुझे लग रहा है सूखेंगे नहीं, फालतू में मेहनत भी करूँगी. इससे अच्छा मैं एक आध दिन शाम को ऑफिस से आके धो लूँगी कपड़े. कपड़े धोने में मेरे को इतना आलस आता है, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. एंड एवरी टाइम आई वॉश क्लोथ्स आई फील लाइक यार इतना ईजी है, मुझे क्यों आलस आता है, बट देन नेक्स्ट टाइम इट्स जस्ट द सेम. ओके सो आई हैव समथिंग टू शो यू गाइज. मेरे जो बेड की हेडबोर्ड है, दिस टर्कोइश वॉल लुक सो प्लेन टू मी एंड इसके लिए मैंने कुछ मंगाया है to like revamp it up a little. I wanted to do something with this wall but I was like very skeptical कि मैं क्या करूँ. मुझे बहुत कुछ over नहीं करना था, but I wanted to like I wanted the wall to look beautiful. So I got myself these reflective mirror tiles and these are huge. I got them from the artment.com एंड ये अमेजोन पे भी अवेलेबल है एंड आर्टमेंट की वेबसाइट है खुद की भी एंड दे हैव सो मेनी गुड डेकोर पीसेस. ये एक कार्डबोर्ड की पैकेजिंग में आए थे बिकॉज आई गॉट देम फ्रॉम अमेजोन. दीज आर सेट ऑफ 4. इसमें आपको सेट ऑफ 6, सेट ऑफ 8 एंड सेट ऑफ 12 भी मिलते हैं एंड आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट देम टू बी दिस ह्यूज. मैं ज़्यादा साइज पे ध्यान नहीं दिया था, बट आई विल मेंशन द एग्जैक्ट साइज ऑफ दिस ऑन स्क्रीन. So it has 4 pieces. Now these are reflective mirror stickers as I said and इसको मैं लगाने का सोच रही थी wall पे because I anyways love mirrors. So these are the 4 pieces. बहुत सही लग रहा है ये दिखने में तो. एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विथ डबल साइडेड टेप ऑल्सो सो दैट वी कैन स्टिक इट. नाउ सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट जो मुझे लगा इसका, दैट्स व्हाई आई गॉट देम एक्चुअली, इज दीज आर रेंटल फ्रेंडली. दिस इज अ रेंटेड फ्लैट, दिस इज नॉट माई ओन हाउस, सो आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग दैट इज रेंटल फ्रेंडली ऑल्सो सो दैट उसका पेंट ना निकले या कुछ वैसा ना हो, बिकॉज एनी वेज आई हैव टू ओनली पे फॉर दैट इफ इट हैपन्स. So I got to know that these are rental friendly also. सबसे मेन रीजन मेरा वही था लेने का बिकॉज आई डिडंट वांटेड टू लाइक ड्रिल अ नेल और समथिंग फॉर अ वॉल आर्ट. दीज आर रियली इजी टू गो एंड मेरे को ऐसा कुछ नेल वाला काम नहीं करना था. सो वील अरेंज दीज एंड देखते हैं कैसे लगते हैं. ऑब्वियसली इसमें फिल्म लगी हुई है एक. दीज आर मिरर्स लाइक रिफ्लेक्टिव फुल फ्लेजेड मिरर्स हैं ये एंड इसमें फिल्म लगी हुई है. तो जब मैं पूरे इसको लगा लूंगी अच्छे से एंड देन आई विल रिमूव द फिल्म. दिस इज बेसिकली द वॉल जिसपे मैं लगाने का सोच रही हूँ. नाउ आई एम स्केप्टिकल ऑफ कि मैं इसको एकदम चिपका के लगाऊँ या थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ू. मैंने इसका एक भी प्लेसमेंट ट्रायल नहीं किया है, सो आई एम गोना डू दैट. And this is my first time doing everything alone. So let's see कैसा लगता है ये. I think I should give like a little gap between these, but then let's figure it out. I can't tell you how scared I was because measurement and all मेरे से इतना I'm not that precise and मेरे से mostly टेढ़ा हो जाता है. But I don't know, I took help of some random things because मेरे पास वो भी नहीं थी, क्या बोलते scale, बड़ी वाली scale जो होती है ना, वो नहीं थी. So I did what I did now. I think this is almost the mid of my headboard. Now it's time to do the most satisfying bit, which is removing the film. Damn. Oh my god. Wow. This is what it looks like, and I feel like this looks so pretty. Now it has given a element to my headboard. Also, if you guys want to check out nice affordable home decor in affordable prices, you can check out Artmint's website. I will link everything in the description box below. Also, they are available on Amazon, so don't forget to check it out. I'm gonna quickly clean this mess that I've made. If you look closely out of my window, you can see that the weather is still very nice. It's still raining, it's still gloomy, and all that I've done today made me so hungry again that I wanted to eat something very tasty and comforting. So I had in mind what I wanted to make after I'm done with my cleaning. If you have not guessed by now what I'm making, I am making Maggie, and I am making vegetable Maggie. I don't know after how many months I'm eating plain Maggie and vegetable Maggie, so I have not eaten since months. Since I got so hungry and I only had one packet of Maggie, I knew it wouldn't suffice my hunger, so I decided to make vegetable Maggie. This recipe is so basic, and I literally have like 5-10 recipes of Maggie on my shorts, like different kinds. But this one is my most favorite recipe as it is very spicy and it is just so comforting. I can't describe in words how tasty this is. I have added all the red chili sauce, soy sauce towards the end, and itni mast bani hai. I can't tell you. Also, I have started watching Manifest, but I'm not a series person anymore because I just cannot sit for hours. Then I decided to do the most tedious part, which is wash my clothes, because it was long due. I washed so many clothes that day, and meanwhile they were getting washed, I decided to apply this serum, which is the anti-dandruff serum by Minimalist. Since my scalp is dry, I used to face a lot of dandruff, but now I do not face because I use this almost religiously. You have to apply this 1 hour before you shampoo, and you have to just massage it. You just have to focus this on your scalp because that's where your dandruff is. I did all of this while listening to some nice songs, and then I tied a bun. Later that night, I ordered for some groceries. I have been eating overnight oats, so I called for some groceries regarding that. Firstly, I got this Coke free, which I do not like at all. And then I have this granola, which is the dark chocolate granola. This is really good. Next, I ordered this Quaker oats. These are not rolled oats, these are your normal oats. And then I have Sof, which I cannot live without, so I ordered not just 1 but 2 packets of Sof. Next, I also ordered for some sweetener, which is honey, but I do not use it in my overnight oats. And then I also ordered for some chia seeds because this is really important. I'll definitely share a recipe of how I prepare my overnight oats in a YouTube shorts. But ending this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you next time.